Nicholas Street. The frames are up, looking good. We're gonna close this wall in. This the door here to the hallway. This the door to the additional room here. So it's looking good, looking real good. We're gonna move this plug. We're gonna move this plug on this wall here, so they will be able to turn on the light in the room. Gonna move a plug from the hallway to over here. Look like the ceiling's been sprayed. Looks really good. Yeah, the ceilings have been sprayed. Looking at the patchwork where the tape has gone up, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna respray that, repaint it. Walls are looking really nice. They're coming together really nice. Look a lot better. Lot better, coming together. Nicholas Street, signing off.